Hello, welcome to the L'Oréal Professional Academy in Paris, 14 Rue Royale. I'm very proud to present to you a brand new product in the Blonde Studio range, the Sun-Kissed Oil, the first ammonia-free lightening oil. Thanks to this oil, we've created 3 new sun-kissed services fully in the trend, without the unpleasant odor of ammonia. For a lightening of 2 tones, in only 30 minutes, for global and partial applications. With Sonia, we are going to discover the Sun-Kissed Lift service, allowing you to lighten natural hair up to 2 levels. With Julie, we are going to discover the Sun-Kissed Blur service, allowing you to quickly break any natural base. And finally, with Adeline, the Sun-Kissed Sombre service, an on-trend effect, very smart and quick. Let's start with Sonia, natural base level 4 and wants to lighten in global. We advise you to use a bottle to both mix and apply. I need 150 milliliters of final mix, so I mix 50 milliliters of sun-kissed oil and 100 milliliters of 30 volume oxidant. We recommend you to apply at the backwash. Nevertheless, if it is uncomfortable for you, you can of course apply at the color station. On natural hair, start by the lengths and ends after the first centimeter. Detangle to distribute evenly. Leave on for 5 minutes, then go straight into the roots area. Develop for 30 minutes. Emulsify, rinse, and proceed to the new post-lightening shampoo, then finish by the appropriate hair care treatment. Let's talk about Julie now. She did her balayage last week, and I realized she doesn't like the ashy aspect of her natural base on the first 10 centimeters. I propose her the Sun-Kissed Blur service, warming up a little bit her natural base in only 5 minutes. I only need 90 milliliters, so I will mix 30 milliliters of sun-kissed oil with 60 milliliters of 20 volume oxidant. Start by the back, onto the roots, section after section, and quickly take through on only the extended roots. Detangle to distribute evenly. After 5 minutes, it's time to rinse. I don't want her to get regrowth. I proceed again to the new post-lightening shampoo, and I follow with the appropriate hair care treatment. In that case, Absolute Repair Lipidium. The soft lightening done today will increase the time and the sun exposure. On Adeline, for the Sun-Kissed Sombre service, we will process differently, using a bowl to apply and the new L'Oréal Professional XXL board for a better stability. For the mixing, I will use 30 milliliters of sun-kissed oil and 60 milliliters of 30 volume oxidant. Subdivide hair to create 4 ponytails. Subdivide each ponytail into 4 individual hair strands. I apply by drawing a very stretched triangle shape, with a lighter deposit on the roots and thicker deposit on the ends. Once the 16 sections are finished, I develop for 30 minutes to obtain 2 levels of lift. I emulsify and rinse. I proceed again to the new post-lightening shampoo, and I follow with the appropriate hair care treatment. In that case, Absolute Repair Lipidium. Let's sum up. The mix will always be the same, ratio 1 and 2. If you want to lift up to 1 or 2 levels, we advise you to use the 30 volume oxidant. For 1 level of lift, 10 to 15 minutes. For 2 levels of lift, develop for 30 minutes. If you want to break the base, lift the natural base half a level maximum. We advise you to use the 20 volume oxidant and develop for 5 minutes. As you can understand, These 3 sun-kissed services allow to recruit new clients. They are reassuring because there is no ammonia odor. They are accessible because of the fast time action service and subtle results. For all women with natural hair, that's exactly what the sun-kissed oil permits. A sun-kissed effect in less than 30 minutes.